Now we will see the second part of this numerical. See, in second part, actually zeta is given. Okay. So when zeta is given, we know that we need to calculate OA line. Okay, with cos inverse of zeta with negative x-axis as a reference. Okay. Then you will get a point of intersection of OA line with root locus. Then we will calculate j point, that is j coordinate. Then we can calculate k. So we have solved one numerical, okay, based on this zeta line. So see here what I did. First of all, here zeta is given. So zeta is 0.707. So I know that cos inverse of zeta is 45 degree. So what I did here, I have just drawn the line OA. Look at this. This is line OA with cos inverse of zeta. So this is cos inverse of zeta with negative x-axis as a reference. So I will put my protractor at the origin, okay, and I will draw the line OA with 45 degree. This is 45 degree, okay. So I have just drawn the line OA with 45 degree. Now you can check that this line OA is intersecting root locus at this point, okay. So this point of intersection of line OA with root locus is given by j point, okay. So for that we need to calculate the coordinates of j. So look at this, the coordinates of j, this is actually the x coordinate, okay, and this is y coordinate, okay. So see here, I got this as minus 1.75 plus minus j 1.75. See, when you will draw the root locus, this j point, it may vary, okay. You may get minus 1.7 or you may get minus 1.8, okay. Because see, this is the rough nature of root locus. Whatever I have drawn the root locus, I have drawn it roughly, okay. So this line may go little bit upward or it may go little bit downward. This is actually the circle, okay. I hope you are getting. So I got the j coordinate as minus 1.75 plus minus j 1.75, okay. So this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, both are same, okay. Now see what I need to do, because here it is asked to calculate peak overshoot, settling time and Kp. So I know the formula for settling time is 4 by zeta omega n. So see here zeta is given, so I need to calculate omega n. So how I will calculate? See here I have shown the standard characteristic equation of second order system, okay. Your order is actually 2. So this is standard characteristic equation of second order system. So s square plus 2 zeta omega n s plus omega n square equal to 0. We have studied, we have calculated the roots of this characteristic equation in unit 2, okay. So what are that roots? Roots are minus zeta omega n plus minus j omega d, okay. So I got roots as minus zeta omega n plus minus j omega d, where omega d is equal to omega n under root of 1 minus zeta square, okay. But see here, these are roots. So these are actually the roots what we got, okay, we have studied. So point of intersection of root locus is nothing but a point on the root locus. So this is minus zeta omega n. So what I will do, I will compare this minus zeta omega n with this, okay. So minus zeta omega n is equal to minus 1.75. Look at this, minus zeta omega n is equal to minus 1.75. So zeta is given as 0.707. So I have substituted zeta here and I have calculated omega n as 2.46. See, actually I am having answer, but you need to calculate, okay. You can cross verify the answer. Omega n is 2.46 radian per second. Now the formula for settling time is Ts is equal to 4 by zeta omega n. I will consider only amplitude, okay. So just put a value of zeta omega n, whatever you have calculated. So I got Ts as 2.29 seconds, okay. Now see the formula for MP. MP is, here I will write percent MP, because for calculating percent I need to multiply it with 100, okay. So MP is peak overshoot e to the power minus pi zeta upon under root of 1 minus zeta square. But zeta is 0.707. I have substituted and I got the answer as 4.32%. This is actually percent peak overshoot, okay. Now see, for calculating the value of Kp, what is Kp? Kp is position error constant. And we know the formula for Kp. Look at this. Kp is limit s tends to 0, g of s, h of s. I hope you remember. Suppose the same thing is asked to calculate velocity error constant. In that case, formula is limit s tends to 0, s into g of s, h of s. For acceleration error constant, k is equal to limit s tends to 0 s square g of s h of s. Okay, you need to recall all that formulas. Okay, now see, when I will substitute g of s, h of s is actually unity feedback system. Okay, so I have directly written g of s, h of s. Okay, so this is my h of s, this is my g of s, h of s will be 1. Okay, so see here, for calculating the value of kp, I need to calculate the value of k here. Okay, so what it is given here, kp for this value of k. For this value of k means you need to calculate k when the line OA is drawn, okay, or when you got the coordinates of j. Okay, so see here, what I will do, I know the formula k is equal to minus d of s by n of s. Okay, we know this formula, so I am writing mod of k is actually d of s by n of s. Okay, denominator upon numerator. So I have written here denominator upon numerator. What I will do, I will put s is equal to j. What is j? Minus 1.75 plus minus j 1.75. Okay, so you have to put value of j here. What you will do, after putting, just use a calculator, do the complex calculation. Okay, because this is in rectangular form, and for calculating the value of k, you need to calculate final answer in polar form. Then only you will get a magnitude. See, for calculating the value of k, we are interested only in magnitude. Okay, theta will be there, but that we will neglect because we need to calculate only mod of k. Okay, so I got answer after calculation as 2.02. Okay, so see here, now what I did, I have substituted this 2.02 here. Okay, then see, when you will take a limit of this portion, so limit of s is 0, limit of this term is also 0, this term is also 0. So what I will get here, I will get here 2.02 into 4 upon, here again 0 is there, so 2 into this will be minus 1. Okay, so see here, actually I am calculating kp is a constant term. Okay, so see here, I will get only the positive value, though here it is minus 1, but I will calculate a mod of k. Okay, so from that I got kp as 4.04. Okay, this is position error constant, and in this numerical it is not asked to calculate steady state error, but if the steady state error is asked for kp, you know the formula 1 upon 1 plus kp. So you will substitute the value of kp here and you will get answer 0.32. Please cross check all the answer. Okay, so see, this is very conceptual numerical. So when the coordinates are given, you can calculate all the formulas just by comparing this with the j coordinate. Okay, so thank you students.